ElevatED, how we turn the blueprint into real change. Big systems don't change with a single idea. They change when lots of people start moving in the same direction. That's what the VET Workforce Blueprint set in motion. Led by the Australian Government through the Department of Employment and Workplace Relations, the blueprint was shared across jobs and skills councils and state training authorities nationwide. Its job was to listen, learn and shine a light on where Australia's VET workforce system needs to evolve. The one thing we knew before starting our research was that we cannot grow the energy sector without growing the educator workforce. Our research highlighted a number of key areas where we have an opportunity to develop and grow the VET sector. For the energy sector, one message stood out clearly. We can't grow the workforce unless we grow the people who train the workforce. And that's where ElevatED begins. ElevatED is about backing energy vocational education and training educators, not just with one-off training, but with clearer pathways, stronger connections, and support that grows with them over time. If the blueprint gave us the insight, ElevatED is how we turn that insight into something educators can actually feel and use. ElevatED is led by Powering Skills Organisation, Australia's Jobs and Skills Council for the energy sector, but it's not something PSO is building alone. This work brings together educators and trainers, training providers and PD, CPD organisations, energy employers, unions and industry bodies, system partners and other jobs and skills councils. Each group brings a different perspective, and that mix matters. ElevatED is designed to be built with the system, not handed down to it. Think of ElevatED like a pathway, not a program. It starts by getting clear on what energy educators need at different stages of their journey. When they enter teaching, as they build confidence, and as they become leaders and specialists. From there, ElevatED focuses on three things: making development easier to find and navigate, making expectations clearer and more consistent, and creating space for educators to learn from each other. Before anything is rolled out widely, it gets tested. That's the role of Sparked. It's a safe, supported space where a small group of educators come together to explore new ideas, connect with peers, and help shape what ElevatED becomes. During the pilot, we pay close attention. What helps? What gets in the way? What feels valuable and what doesn't? Those lessons directly shape what comes next. Alongside this sits Partnered. Partnered keeps ElevatED grounded in the real world by strengthening links between industry and education, in turn helping educators stay connected to current practice, equipment and expectations in the energy sector. That connection is what keeps learning relevant and trusted. All of this feeds back into ElevatED itself. ElevatED brings together insights from the blueprint, experience from the Sparked pilot, partnerships through Partnered, and turns it into a clearer, more connected approach to educator development. Not a single course, not a one-size-fits-all solution, but a framework that supports educators to grow and supports providers to contribute meaningfully. Finally, there's ElevatED. ElevatED is how this work becomes visible, shareable and lasting. It showcases what's working, shares stories and tools, and connects people across the sector. It ensures ElevatED doesn't stay a project, but becomes part of the sector's everyday conversation. When ElevatED works as intended, educators feel supported and valued. Training capacity grows, innovations feels possible, and the energy sector is better equipped for what's ahead. This is how the blueprint becomes real. One educator, one connection, one step at a time.